Hey Hoover, I'm Nolan Pierpont at North Cape Memorial Stadium. As you can see, the construction is almost at the finish line. This is your next Construction Minute update.
The stadium grandstand continues to move forward with the final touches being completed over the next 10 days as the wing sections and roof get put in place. New asphalt will also be installed behind the grandstands all the way to the north entrance. The stadium will continue to have work done throughout the summer, but the main grandstand will be ready to debut for district track meet and graduation. Just across from the stadium, work is nearing completion on the new transportation garage. Construction crews finalized the asphalt new bus corral this week and finished painting the parking spots. The fiber line was installed and testing was completed on the fire and alarm systems. Final connections need to be made for computer terminals and phones. This is Nolan Pierpont for NCTV Media.